No, hey baby. Good morning. How's your sleep? Was your sleep good? Good. I'm glad. I'm glad you had good sleep, you had good rest. How's your belly? Is your belly feeling better? That's good. You were feeling pretty sick. And what about your head? Is your head feeling okay? No more headaches? Good. That's good, sweetie. No, sweetie, is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Maybe some water, or I could make you breakfast, yeah? Or do you want a purse? I can get you a purse. Or a brand new car. I remember the other day I saw you eyeing that Lamborghini. I can buy 3 of those for you. Or like maybe a jet. Do you want a jet? I can buy you a jet. No? You just want me to lie down here with you? Yeah, I can do that, baby. Of course I can. It's gonna be the 3 of us soon. I know, it's wild. It is. We're gonna have a child of our own. Something that we always dreamed of, huh? Having our own little baby. And I know, baby, it's gonna be scary at first, you know? This is all new to you. It's all new to me, too. But everything's gonna be okay, princess. I promise. The baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. But really, everything's gonna be okay because I'll always take care of you. And always take care of the baby. Let me feel your belly. Skin's so smooth. I think I can feel the baby kicking a little bit. Yeah, it's kicking a little bit. Wow. I know, I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. It's crazy. And I know you're gonna be such a good mother. I can tell. Of course you're gonna be a good mother. Don't worry about it, princess. You're so kind and nurturing. You're gonna be the most perfect, beautiful, hottest mother there is. You're finally gonna be a MILF. Oh, princess. You're gonna do great, okay? I don't want you to worry, 'cause I want to be there every single step of the way, okay? I'll be by your side. No, of course I'm gonna be a good father. I'm gonna love you and the baby with all my heart. I'm gonna love every single second of our family together. I'm gonna cherish every moment with you and the baby. You guys are my everything. And I'll take good care of you. And I'll take good care of the baby. Of course, baby, I love you. And I love the baby. It's just gonna be such a perfect moment. Everything's gonna be fine, okay? Don't you worry, princess. You know, when I first saw you, I was so nervous to come up and say hi. I was scared. I was terrified. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. But I'm glad I got the courage to walk up to you and talk to you. And I got your number. I was so shocked. I was excited when I got your number. And when we went on our first date, I fell madly in love with you. I was absolutely in love with you. I still remember what you were wearing. And the perfume that you were wearing, I can still smell it like it was yesterday. You were so kind. You were so caring. You were so nurturing. And I knew you were the one that I wanted to spend my life with. And look at us now. We're gonna have a family together. I know it's wild, but the journey was worth it with me and you. And I'm excited to continue this journey with you. I love you so much. No, the baby's kicking kind of hard, sweetie. Are you okay? I see. Hurts a little bit. Okay. Let me grab the hot water bottle, yeah. I'll make sure it's warm for you. Give me 1 second. No, here you go, sweetie. I got you your heated water bottle. Here, let me put it on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel good? It does, huh? Here, let's cuddle again. Come on closer. Good. You know, you have the most beautiful eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. I mean, I'm not telling you this just to impress you or anything. I just happen to notice them. I mean, I've always noticed them. It's just that sometimes, your eyes, they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love. Sometimes it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, honestly, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I mean, I do. All the time. I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Your eyes glow. You have this unique beauty that I can't help notice. But honestly, sweetheart, you should be really, really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips I have ever seen. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And it feels like everything fades away but me and you. And it makes me feel so lucky to be with you. I mean, I can listen to you speak for hours. Your voice combines with the way your lips just moves. It's so mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feels so special. Your lips are just so beautiful. They are. Your lips, they hold so much warmth and kindness. It makes it very, very comforting to be close to you. I mean, I know you probably deserve to hear this more, but you are amazing inside and out. And your hair. I just love brushing your hair behind your ears like this. I mean, your hair is beautiful, sweetie. It's so soft and, it's beautiful. And I love the way it shines in the light. It just glows. Like, your hair just kind of frames your face perfectly. And I love the way how your hair feels between my fingers. It feels so silky and smooth, And sometimes when you let your hair down, it's like a whole brand new side of you comes out. You really do make beauty look so effortless. I'm so lucky to be with you.